Seems like this is the year of national parks, and here we are at the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Let's go find a volcano.
Okay, let's do it.
We're on a volcano hunt. Greg and Lisa with Brent and Brenda.
This is cool.
Because that means you got to come back up.
That's all right.
Driving to the rim is pretty spectacular in its own right, but it's nice to get out into these forests. This is pretty incredible. This is our first glimpse of Kilauea Iki crater. Hopefully my fingers don't know it, but yeah, that's the pronunciation right there. This is a 4-mile trail that should take us a couple hours or so, and we'll go down into that crater and then back up the other side.
And into the lava tubes.
Oh yes,
We finished.
there will be some lava tubes at the end of this.
Okay, this is the Kalapili caldera.
And then over here,
Yeah, further in the background where you see the smoke is the Mauna Lue.
okay,
Maybe.
Mauna Lue crater
That's what
over
we're going
here.
with.
You can drive and see that one. About a 5-minute drive in. We'll catch that later. To give you the feeling of how large this is. You can see there's some people way down in it. So they're hiking clockwise and we are going counterclockwise.
And we're going to go to that.
The Kilauea Visitor Center is at 3,980 feet. Looks like you drop down about 500 feet perhaps on that. And then we are going to have another climb back out up that side. Here we are, back into the rainforest. And the upward climb. It's incredible how it is just so lush. The birds are chirping.
short walk through, went all the way through, and then we came back around.
See the little suit over your head, right?
This is the Thurston lava tube. They have it lit with these yellow lights, which is nice. You don't need a flashlight to go through here. Take baby steps when you can't see. You don't fall on your face. Looks like we're about there, huh? Oops.